Yeah. So basically today, this hair was here, long, was long. So I cut it, and you can see this is more like a bob hair. But that is not the result we're looking for. We need to put some layers to the front. The length, the back is fine, but the front, we're gonna put some layers. Now, the first is first. What we do, we take the horseshoe section from the top section. The horseshoe section is basically you're isolating the top section from the underneath section. So you take it. Once you take that, just take like this, and then suddenly kind of isolating all the hair from the top, from the back to top, top to the back, back to the top, so wherever. Now, once you've done that, now you have this hair is here. Now what we're gonna do here, basically to make it this hair more like a muscular looking, more kind of like a lace looking. For that reasons, you have to put some laces in it. Now it's look like more like a girl's hair. So we don't want girl's hair on the gent's hair. So we need to make it more manly looking hair. So for that reasons, if you make this hair shorter here, it's gonna look much better. So the back, I already cut it layers. Now the size, we go in like this, and we go in, and we go in. So if you make the laces here, I have already cut it, right? So if you cut this hair, simple as that, just like that, just like this. Hold it like this, and like that. Again, taking it. Just like that.
Oh, that's it. That's what I'm using.
So the one thing I would say is definitely try to make less hair in your hands. So it's make it easier for you. So lifting, kind of, I'm giving that lift, kind of flicking it like this. And now I cut all this. Now you have this short hair, the jawline is just coming down. You can see. There we go. Now you have that beautiful nice laces is coming. So it just really make the hair nice and soft. It look like Jackie Chan's hair. So that's it's not really exactly.
Be more Falcon
yeah.
from the Winter Soldier.
Yeah. So now we're taking this part of the hair as well. Exactly the same. Taking. I will say is always try to keep your scissors back. So that's safety of your scissors, safety for your client. So you take in first one, take it towards your lace you have done and cut it. After you've done that, make sure no long length is left. Now bring this one down, and next one you're looking the kind of where is somewhere like nearly another 2 centimeters you're going to cut off. So isolate the hair, the size, and you're taking it and like this, and you're cutting that as well, and you bring it down. It's really start looking nice. So you're taking it, taking like this.
Thank you, Carol.
Wow, look at that shape. It's look beautiful. So this hair is gonna make kind of that lace is coming to the sides and flicking backward. It's gonna look nice. Hi, ciao. Ekaterina. Yeah, Ekaterina. Let's call you Katrina. I think, are we agree? Now, we're gonna bring this one here, just like this. And then cut this one nice and straight. Exactly like that. And then when you bring it back, it's make it more softer. Same, take it this section, and exactly the same way. Take it here, and nice and straight. Same here. soft. You seen it? So we're cutting the hair like a Japanese way. The Japanese style haircut. If you haven't heard of it, watch it on YouTube. Japanese way haircut. Now, after you've done that, the hair from now on is really, really simple. Yeah, that's okay. Katerina, we says we're gonna call you Katerina. That's she says that's fine. Call me Katerina. Now I'm gonna take one small section. Here, now the hair on the sides is coming to jaw line. So really, what we're gonna do, hold the hair forward. You can do it and come like this, jaw line, and then cut. Simple as that. Jaw line. Take one section. Again. Same here. How simple is that? Really, really simple. So try to not make the hair too hard when you're cutting it. Otherwise, you're gonna make it complicated. Really, is it worth it? No. So don't make it the haircut complicated, guys. Make it simple. So now we're taking this, another section, straight away to 90 degrees up and cut it all that long access. Taking, same, look at that. Now I come to this size, exactly the same. Take one section, take my scissors backwards, so the safety of the hair, so you're not kind of cutting the hair while you're not necessarily you're cutting the hair, but because of the scissors open, so it will cut the hair. So make sure your scissors you're applying always backward, make it easier for yourself. And now you bring this hair look at that. Already I can see. Now what we're going to do, we're going to start texturizing the hair. Texturizing it, basically do it section by section. Take one section, bring this one up like this, and now just do like this, texturizing it. That way, especially if you texturize it from shorter to longer, and do it same way. This side, one section first. Take one simple section, texturize it just like this. So, how do you feel about my haircut, matey?
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah?
Can't wait to see when it's all finished. And
Yeah? How long you been coming to me for a haircut? Have
Years.
you ever grown your hair before I cut it for you?
No, this is the first time growing it.
Yeah.
First time.
The last time when I cut your hair it was very, very short.
Yeah.
And I cut it for you and I said we're going to grow your hair. And now your hair today was here.
It's down to my shoulders.
Yeah, amazing. And now we're cutting it layers to make it like a Brad Pitt's haircut. Yeah?
Winter Soldier Bucky, more like.
Yeah. Well, are you going to pay like a Brad Pitt as well? £1,000?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Hopefully, one day get into the Marvel, get into a Marvel movie or Star Wars. That would be
Very good, very nice.
Or work on a video game. That would also be
Very
really cool.
good, very nice. Look at that. Look at that. Bloody fantastic.
And I'll be able to tie that back as well.
Huh?
I'll be able to tie it back as well.
Maybe.
Oh.
Maybe. Let's see. I'm not sure. But I think you should.
Yeah, but it will grow anyway, so no worries. Yeah, because I like to tie it up when I'm at
jawline.
Yeah.
Because the jawline is not kind of like tying backwards, but it may, some pieces may not go enough inside the hair. You know what I mean?
Yeah, fair enough.
So, but majority it will go inside. Now, try to tie back and see if it's going to go backward forward, please. How do you feel? Because when I tie it back and you tie it back, it's not going to be the same. So, is there any question you have? No? Thank you very much.
So, yeah, I would say that's
Perfect.
just enough.
Right.
Just enough.
Yeah.
So,
My guy is famous. He's going to be on the stage tomorrow. He's going to perform on the stage. He's a YouTuber and also he has a lot of videos. Now we're going to be doing great haircut for him. Yeah, absolutely.
I wouldn't say. I'd say that's it's short enough now.
Yeah. That's fine. That's fine. So, Jenny, Italian Jenny. He's gonna like it. And this is from Slimpe, Italy. Yeah, watch it. And if you have any comment, please comment it for me.
Yeah, please go.
Yeah, thank you very much,
Please come
guys.
and do it.
Yeah, thank you very much.